G'day, here's a nice example of a piece of knobby from Lightning Ridge, Australia. It rules in millimetres and it's been wetted to help show the colours off a bit better. The white that you're seeing there is the reflection from the lights. Fortunately it's only on some darker grey potch, but it's not on black, so when you cut this it might end up a little bit transparent, although there's potch sort of in spots in the stone. But I'll just rotate it one more time so you can get an idea. You can see there the greens on that plane. Looks like it moves across, changes direction there. I think that's given you an idea of what you're looking at. Don't forget you can stop the video at any time to get your orientation. Cheers.